Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
Hi, my name is Praveen. I'm working in a multinational company. Recently, I went to trekking and got injured with my knee. And this was also injured when I was playing football years back. So my ACL is completely tear in the recent jump in a trekking trail. So my knee was totally twisted. The ACL injury is very painful, and it is also leading to early arthritis. So one of my friends, a fellow rider in my riding club, is a doctor in Sunshine. His name is Venugopal. So he have suggested me a good doctor, Dr. Sukesh Rao and Dr. T. Chiranjeevi. So I first consulted Chiranjeevi ma'am, and she said it's better to go for a surgery because of your age and your activity level. So I trusted Chiranjeevi doctor, and Dr. Sukesh is also very nice person. He is having good knowledge on what he's performing the surgeries or whatever he's treating. So that made me comfortable. So also a lot of support from Dr. Venu. I went ahead with the surgery, and I gave myself to the hands of Dr. Sukesh Rao. And the environment is very friendly in Sunshine Hospital. So this is my experience. Thank you so much.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.